Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has informed the House that village volunteers have been asked to lay down their arms in an aim to end violence and restore peace in Manipur. The Chief Minister made this statement in response to a query from Sugnu AC MLA K. Ranjit, who asked about the number of armed village volunteers in both hill and valley areas post-Manipur violence and the plans to disarm them. The Chief Minister has informed the House that the current unrest should not be viewed as a failure of law and order. He noted that the village volunteer force emerged due to dissatisfaction with the perceived negligence of state and central security forces during the violence. He continued that although the exact number of armed village volunteers has not been counted, confidential information from the Home Department cannot be fully disclosed. Chief Minister N. Biren further emphasized that an appeal has been made to the village volunteers to lay down their arms.
Suddenly, state security or central security forces in a Fazana Nakpi, the Batok, Amani, Choshanpur Gumba, More Gumba, or Imphal, the Toy, some Ubudagi, voluntarily Toloponi. For the Hujuji, Tola even my Amsida, I coin a Canano, Carino, Nang Pibra and a Hybada, I Kulai Pai and a Harakada Sunate, Aduga, Home Department, matter of policy when a Quigi, Arunba, Aruba, confidential over Haidopa, the Basulay. Adugumu maintain Torgaina. No assessment due to ongoing situation happening. Algohiki Kulai Kado another plan like the Habinate, but Kulai Singo surrender to another appeal to re happening. Equimam Puna, Santi Angelana, Hona Minagadabani, Hona Minari Huzik, Atubada, Manipur, Santi Angelakane habit Hazabado, a Hamzarisa.